Hey, it's Ian, and today I have the Handy Chopper. Now this is a safe and efficient way to quickly chop your fruits, veggies, and more, cutting your prep time in the kitchen tenfold. Now the first thing you're gonna notice is the fairly large cup. Now this has a capacity of 3.5 cups, so whether you're chopping a single carrot or an entire veggie salad, you can do everything right inside the chopper. Now unlike other models that only have just a few blades, this has 5 of them, and they're not just your average blades. These are 420 J2 Japanese style stainless steel blades, which are specifically made for the food industry, which also means they're incredibly sharp. And you're also gonna love that all the plastic is BPA free. Now over the years I've tried dozens of different food choppers, but I've found that this one does the best job with the least amount of effort. Now let me show you how this works. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is cut your food into manageable sized chunks, then throw them in the chopper and you're ready to go. Now you'll notice that the handle here actually pulls out kind of like a lawnmower cord, but much easier. Now the more you pull this, the finer this is going to chop your food. So if you really need to finely dice those onions, you're gonna wanna pull this a whole bunch of times. But if you need something with larger chunks, like say a salad, you'll only need to pull it just a few times. Now thanks to the blade setup, this is going to mix while it chops, so everything will get a nice even distribution. Not to mention, I love that the bowl is see-through, so you can always know when to stop chopping. Just look at how great these veggies we chopped looks. And remember, there are onions in here, but I don't have the smell on my hands, and I don't even have tears in my eyes. Now there are countless different dishes you can make with this, like egg salad, chicken salad, even salsa, guacamole, and so much more. And if you're in a hurry, you can even serve this directly out of the bowl. And when you're done, cleanup is quick and simple because everything comes apart in seconds. Now we have an awesome deal on the site that you're not gonna wanna miss out on. And remember, this doesn't even take batteries, so even in a power outage, you can make high quality food with precision. So head on over to the site and get yours before they're all sold out.